Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lena in Cloud's kitchen. So this is Cloud's in the kitchen. We're doing keto mayonnaise. So it doesn't have to be keto, but it's mayonnaise anyway. What have we got?
3/4 of a cup
Of
olive oil, but you can use avocado oil, coconut oil, any mild flavouring oil.
okay. Then
Rule number 1, it must go first.
okay, and that's where I screwed it up. On over the pato, room temperature.
Everything at room temperature.
Okay.
1 egg.
Ka because we're in Thailand. Okay, then
We have 1 tablespoon of lemon or lime juice. You can use 2 teaspoons, but Claudia likes it lemony.
So
The more the acid, the stiffer it's going to be, but don't OD on any more than 1 tablespoon. And then 1 teaspoon of, as I have a gentle hand,
she's the best keto cook.
1 teaspoon over the top of vinegar or white wine vinegar. If you use anything stronger, it'll impart a strong flavour. 1/4 teaspoon.
Watch my new spoon, isn't it gorgeous?
The little pretty thing she puts it in.
I know.
Of salt.
Almost camp.
Almost. And then,
A slob of Dijon mustard.
again, of your choice.
Yes.
So we have egg, oil, salt, 1 teaspoon of Dijon, 2 of vinegar, and because you like it, 4 of lemon. But I would suggest to start with 2 teaspoons.
Grazie mille. And it is all in there.
All in there, straight over the top. Have we got the power on? No. Whoop.
Yes, that's for my light.
And
It's-
straight over the egg yolk.
I'm having burgers. Pronto.
That will get thicker in the fridge.
Because it's 40 degrees now, so we're melting.
Yes.
We're melting. You have no idea. You know, my friend went cycling yesterday. 44 in Oysterkert.
Yeah, I went around the So there it is. It's that simple.
Yummy. Thank you.
Mm-mm.
And that's the
Glasses off.
Thanks for watching Clouds in the Kitchen. I've even forgotten.
Store it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or as long as your eggs are fresh. The freshest eggs are the best.
Thank you.
Ka.